Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. We're going to learn more about virtual assistants and what it's like to make money as one in this video. You've come to the right place if you want to learn more about this flexible and possibly lucrative job path. Number one, an introduction to virtual assistants. First, let's talk about what a virtual assistant means. Virtual assistants, or VAs, work as independent contractors and help clients with a variety of tasks from a remote location. These tasks can be administrative, artistic, technical, or personal. Virtual assistants, or VAs, help businesses and entrepreneurs keep track of their jobs, make operations run smoothly, which allows them to focus on what they do best. Number two, skills and traits needed. A virtual assistant is more than just a person answering emails and holding meetings. It includes a lot of different jobs. You'll need a mix of skills and traits to do well in this area. Some of these are good communication, time management, planning, and the ability to figure out how to solve problems. Also, you usually need to know some software like Microsoft Office, project management tools, and social media. Number three, your niche. If you want to be a virtual assistant, you need to find a niche. It lets you become an expert in a certain field, which may make you more appealing to possible clients. It doesn't have to be social media management. It could be emailing, marketing, content creation, accounting, or customer service. Figure out what you're good at and what you like to do to find your area of expertise. Number four, getting better at what you do. To stay ahead in the market for virtual assistants, you need to keep improving your skills. You might want to take classes, go to webinars, or get licenses that are related to your field. The more skills and information you have, the more services you can provide, and the more money you can make. Number five, set rates. This is an important step for any virtual assistant, but it can be hard to do. Your prices should be fair for the services you provide and the amount of skill you have. Find out what the going rates are in your industry and change your prices if needed. A lot of VAs work by the hour or offer packages based on projects or jobs. Number six, market yourself. As a virtual assistant, marketing is a key part of getting clients. A well-optimized website, social media profiles, and a strong LinkedIn page will help you look professional online. Show up your skills and share content that is linked to your niche on these sites. Making connections with possible clients and other VAs can also lead to valuable opportunities. Number seven, find clients. It can be hard to get your first clients as a virtual assistant, but it's not impossible. Think about freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or job boards just for VAs. You can also find clients by sending cold emails, joining local business networks, and making the most of the ties that you currently have. Number eight, working with clients. You need to be able to communicate clearly and organize your work well if you want to work with clients from home. From the start, be clear about what you expect and what the limits are. Talk about the specifics of the job, the due dates, and the best ways to communicate. Tell your clients how their projects are going on a regular basis and listen to what they have to say. Number nine, challenges and ways to solve them. Virtual assistant work has its challenges, just like any other job. You might have problems communicating with clients or handling more than one project at the same time. Being flexible and taking the lead are key. Deal with problems as they come up and always be looking for ways to make your processes better and find new answers. Number 10, growing your business as a virtual assistant. You might think about growing your virtual assistant business once you have more experience and a strong client group. You can hire more VAs to help you with your workload and offer more services. Scaling can greatly improve your chances of making money and running a business. Well, that's it. All we have for this topic for tonight. Thank you for listening. I hope this video provides you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by potentially making money online. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.